If you want more clarity, mental growth, relaxation and happiness, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss our future videos. 5 hidden benefits of yoga. Finding inner peace, becoming more flexible, showing off your new leggings. Why else would you do yoga? Yoga's not new, and its benefits have been enjoyed for thousands of years. Physical and mental health can both be improved by yoga. Some benefits are obvious, but others are a bit different than what you would assume. Here are 5 hidden benefits of yoga that you might just enjoy. Number 1, a hangover cure. Hard to think about doing yoga when the room is still spinning? Well, yoga just might be the thing to push yourself into, rather than a pizza or more alcohol. Yoga helps detox your body and can help with metabolism. Certain poses like the plow work to help you rid that hangover quicker. Blood flow is also effective, and poses can help bring more to the brain. Number 2, asthma reducer. A study has shown that adults who did 2 months of yoga experienced improved asthma symptoms. There's a whole lot of bending and stretching involved with yoga, but another important part is breathing. Controlled and methodical breathing can help you perform yoga routines better and to reap the benefits. Learning how to be aware of breathing can also help in times where asthma gets rough and you experience panic. Maybe skip hot yoga for your first class, or at least bring your inhaler along. Number 3, a better memory. Yoga can improve your body, but what about your brain? You're flexing your muscles when getting into the poses involved, but your brain is also along for the ride. Reduced physical tension and stress means a happier brain. A happier brain means more organised thinking and a clear mind. It's important to remember things when you're not worrying about the things that stress you out. Maybe you'll even be able to remember when your yoga class is. Number 4, a fertility boost. Stress can reduce fertility in both men and women. Yoga can also increase blood flow to the parts involved with conception and carrying a child. There are even classes and routines designed just for trying couples and pregnant women. Yoga has been a part of the fertility practices for as long as yoga has been a thing. The body is built to make babies, but sometimes you just need to let go and give it the okay. Number 5, better sleep. Yoga has been shown to be one of the most effective ways to get better sleep and more of it too. Once again, yoga helps by reducing stress and increasing blood flow. Making yoga part of your nightly routine can also teach you to wind down and to get sleep in a more efficient and positive way. Yoga has given us comfortable pants and trendy gyms, but it should also be respected for its real work. Thousands of years have shown that yoga benefits the mind and body in countless and unsurprising ways. Whether it's in the fanciest studio or your bedroom floor, yoga can bring you benefits that you don't even realise you needed.